Hi students, let's walk through how to cancel a course in your student portal. It's simple. This can be done in two ways, through the dashboard or the schedules page. Let's go through how to cancel a course through the dashboard. First, access the course by locating the upcoming lessons widget on your dashboard. Click on the title of the course you want to cancel. When you open the course details, always check the activity log first. This will show if you still have an allowance for canceling. Next, open the cancellation dropdown and select the Cancel Course option. Then, specify a cancellation reason by choosing from the list of provided options. This step ensures your reason is recorded. Finally, confirm the cancellation by reviewing your choices and clicking Confirm to finalize the process. The course will be successfully canceled. Now remember, if you don't see the option to cancel, it could mean the admin has restricted cancellations for this course. Next, let's take a look at how to do this from the Schedules page. In the navigation menu, select Schedule to proceed. This will bring you to your calendar view where you can manage your lessons. Next, locate the scheduled time of the lesson you wish to cancel on the calendar. When you open the course details, always check the activity log first. This will show if you still have an allowance for canceling. Next, open the cancellation dropdown and select the Cancel Course option. Then, specify a cancellation reason by choosing from the list of provided options. This step ensures your reason is recorded. Finally, click Confirm to finalize your cancellation. A confirmation message will appear in the lower right corner of the screen, letting you know the process is complete. And that's it. Canceling a course is simple and efficient. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.